No. No, kitty. No. No. Yeah, 2 bowls. That's the max. I said that in the last one. Okay, kitty. I said that in the last one. Alright? Kitty. Kitty. I will not give you food. I didn't have to. I know. No, I don't have to. Kitty, you had 2 bowls today, and that's the max. Fine, you really want the food? Do you really want it? I mean, seriously? Fine, kitty, since you're really cute, I'll give you a kitty. Alright, kitty, what's the magic words? I want to hear it. Let's go. I deal with it. I want to hear the magic words. Okay. No. Oh my God. What did I? Oh my God, you're that hungry, really? Alright, kitty, you're cute. Peace.